I hope you're well. Welcome back to another vlog video. In today's video we are going to be heading to the beach. We are going to Ladram Bay, which is probably about an hour and a half away from us with good traffic, so fingers crossed. But we're taking Thor to the beach for the first time, and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, if you don't you should. Thor is Ryan's family's Doberman, so he's never been to the beach before, and it's just something that we wanted to do for ages. So me, Ryan and his dad are meeting his brother and his brother's girlfriend down at Ladram Bay. We're going to take Thor and it's just going to be a really lovely day. We're going to get some lunch, and I just thought I would vlog as much as possible. I cannot guarantee that this vlog will even make it on the internet because I don't know how much I'm going to film, how much I'll particularly film with the camera in my face. It may just be kind of scenery shots and kind of shots of Thor on the beach and that kind of thing, but I did want to take my camera anyway just for the memes. So regardless of whether this makes it up on the internet, at least I have the footage of Thor going on the sand for the first time. So that is the plan for today, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. So I'm gonna go because I think Ryan is picking me up probably in about 5 minutes, so I need to go put my shoes on. I've got my sunnies on even though it is very cloudy today, which is so typical because it was so hot about 3 days ago, so that's fab. But yes, I need to go and get ready, so I hope you guys enjoy and let's head to the beach. Way.
Smell it.
Way.
Right. Get a shot of my short shorts then.
Ryan's got his short shorts on, he's going to go in the sea. Are you buzzing about the sea?
Yeah.
So excited. Thor's going to go in the sea. Probably not. Hey, what is it?
Where is it, Rory?
It's on the sand. Oh. He's unsure.
He's not interested in the sand. He's
No, he's
more
not.
focused on what those dogs are doing.
What's happening?
Whoa, sorry.
Is it?
He's excited. Go get. Go get. Go get. Go get.
Look at all the sand. Oh God. What? No. Hello. Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Boy, what is it?
Go, go, go. Whoa, sandy face.
Your sand up is
Hey. Oh no. Sandy nose. It's Thor's first time going to the beach, and they're about to get into the sea, and we're going to introduce him to the ocean.
What's this? What's this?
Whoa! His little feet. Oh, that's freezing! Oh my goodness! Oh, is it my turn?
We used to get it as
So
a wave
gross.
stammer.
Ready?
That is better.
Go get it!
Oh. That is
Tail.
hot.
Where's it gone?
He hasn't seen it yet.
Go, go, go! I can't film it.
Ah, shit!
That's a good shell. Pretty present. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Love it. They're good ones too. There's a lot of good shells everywhere. Hello. Are you ready? You want the ball? Ready?
There's dogs sniffing our bag.
Steady. Ready? Oh, sorry! Go. Oh no, that's so far!
Get it, Thory! Get it! Go, Thory, get it!
Get it! I can't get it!
Whoa! 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 Hello!
Iris! That's not yours! Priscilla! Priscilla!
Hello! Woohoo! It's like not, it's not completely sure what to splash.
Thank you. Are you ready?
Okay, it was so good.
Are you steady?
Go on, Thor, get it!
Go get it, go get it!
Go get it!
When a wave hits it, it goes underwater.
You're
We
wet.
appreciate the slobber.
You're wet.
The slobber face.
He is not having it.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Having a great time. It's a bit cold though in the sea. That's so gross. I'm leaving that in. You don't know, Kaylee, you can get that. Absolutely not. Quick Sandy, not gonna lie. I am thinking when I two cocker spaniels. Ryan's gonna buy me a cocker spaniel, everyone.
Cocky spaniels.
It's official, aren't you?
Maybe.
No, you are.
Maybe.
No, you are.
Cool. He loves it.
Oh, that's not a bit of me, that's cold. Yeah, great, that's it. My jeans are moist. Brilliant. Oh no! Fuming. My legs are soaking wet. Brilliant. Great. Good boy, Thor. So we've been on the beach for quite a while playing with Thory, and I think he very much enjoys the beach. Do you think he likes the beach, Ryan?
Loves it.
He loves it. He is a natural. I think maybe he's like a water dog at heart, but yeah, he's having a fab time. And I'm just trying my best not to get my entirety of my jeans wet because I keep going a bit too deep in the little rock pool thingies, but he's loving it. Is that nice, Thor? I have been chosen. Oh! Trying to splash me. Sabotage. Ready? Oh, what a pretty boy. Look at that tongue. You want your ball? You're at the Collis? You do. Oh no! Watch Thor's waiting for his ball to be thrown. Oh, hello. Gonna rescue them. Whoa. How's that? Are you cold?
That's freezing. I can't feel my pee. I went up.
Are you going back in? Oh my god, you're absolutely nuts. It's like Baywatch. Nice.
Nice. Good. Yeah. Impressed.
I know what you're all thinking, this is the exact same setup and lighting as the clip this morning. It's because it is still the morning and I'm just kind of preempting the fact that I may not end the vlog very well, so I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and obviously don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as we are on our way to 10,000, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. But yes, thank you so much for watching, I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!